In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make your first $100 online. Hey guys, my name's Natalie and welcome back to Purely Remote, the channel that brings you all the tips and tools you need to be successful online. So today I'm going to show you a foolproof way to make $100 online by leveraging other people's products. Now, this is called affiliate marketing. We basically promote other people's products and earn a commission from it. And this is what we primarily do at Purely Remote. The strategy I'm going to show you today is how to do it without showing your face and requires no startup costs or any money at all. So I'm going to show you in 3 easy steps how we can get this started and running so you can start earning some commission. So step number 1, because this is going to be a faceless channel, we want to choose a niche that has the potential to go viral. So whether it is DIY, relationships, motivational, life hacks. So choose one of the niches that you're super passionate about or that you at least have some curiosity behind. So I just want to jump over onto my computer and give you an example. So over here we have this channel that has about 200K followers. And if you look over here, they have a link in their bio. So this is exactly what we're going to be doing with your channel. And if you look at the content that they provide, everything in the back is just background stock images or videos. And then they have facts that they kind of have typed over on top. And I'll just give you an example. Okay, awesome. So you can see they have a video in the background, they've put some text over the top, and they've got some music playing in the background. And from that video alone, there's 131,000 likes for that. Now the link that they have in their bio actually leads to a dating site. So people would go into the dating site, and that's how they make their money, by people joining their app. So just to give you another example, let's go into the motivation niche. You'll see over here they have 3.5 million followers. If you click the link in their bio, this link will then take you to a store where they can purchase apparel. So you'll see a whole lot of clothes, t-shirts, shorts, caps. So we are basically going to be doing the same thing today. However, the link that's going to be in our bio, I'm going to show you how to get that link and what type of products we want to promote in our next step. So let's go ahead and just watch some of the videos that they have, because it is a little different to the first niche that we're looking at.
Reputation with yourself. If you've got a great reputation with yourself and you know you can trust you, you're not so concerned about your reputation and what other people think about you.
That's right.
So if you're always worried about what people think about you, it's because you really don't think great about yourself. And you don't think great about yourself because you lack self-confidence. And you lack self-confidence because you keep not keeping the promises you make to yourself. So my confidence came from my preparation.
Okay, and that's an example. Now I'm also going to show you in a step a little bit further down the line how you can go ahead and get those types of videos and doing it legally. Okay, so far step number 1 is covered. We've looked at a couple of different niches, whether it's motivation, relationships. You go ahead and choose the niche that you want to go ahead and start. I just wanted to give you an idea. Now, once we've chosen our niche, we are then going to go ahead and look at a product. So in today's example, I'm going to base mine around the relationship and dating category or niche. Okay, so I've already showed you 2 different sites and they both have their links leading somewhere else, right? The first one led to a dating site. The second one led to an apparel shop. Where would our link lead to? Now there is a marketplace called Clickbank, and they have products where affiliates can go and you can sign up and promote those products and earn a commission from them. So you don't need to go ahead and start your own app. You don't need to go ahead and create your own shop. These products have already been created. We are leveraging other people's products and we are going to earn a commission from that. So if I was going in the motivation niche, I would obviously look for a product that was more geared towards that. Because I'm going to be using the relationship niche for this specific example, I'm going to go ahead and look at products that relate a little bit more to relationships. So this isn't going to be a walkthrough on how to use Clickbank, because we have actually done other videos that show you how you can do that, and we'll link those down in the description for you. However, what I do want to show you is a couple of things that we want to keep in mind when choosing our product. So I've already chosen my product and I'm going to go ahead and promote Soulmate Sketch Drawing. It's a psychic drawing and it is them drawing your soulmate basically. Now, a few things that we want to look at is our gravity score. We want to try and keep our gravity score above 50. The gravity is basically how many affiliates are selling this particular product and making commissions from it. So we don't want to go for something that's too high, like 232 is quite high because it's a high competition. However, we don't want it to be below 50 either. The second thing we want to look at is the initial conversion rate. Now we're earning basically $17 every time someone purchases this product. Now there is an option where there's a recurring or a rebill at $7.07. So we do have the potential, if someone buys or signs up, to earn a monthly commission from that. So to be able to promote products on Clickbank, you do need to be signed up with them. We've already signed up. So once you do that, you're going to click in your nickname and then create hop link. Now this is the link that anytime someone clicks on it and makes a purchase, that's how we are going to get, or that's how they're going to track it, and we're going to earn our commission from it. I'm going to go ahead and copy that, and then we are going to go and you want to probably shorten it, so use sites like Bitly to shorten it, and then we are going to post it or put it in our link in TikTok. Now remember, I did mention you need at least 1,000 followers on TikTok before you can put a link in your bio. Lucky for you though, we have created another video that shows you how you can get to your first 1,000 followers on TikTok really quickly. So go ahead and watch that, and once you've got your first 1,000 followers, you can put your link in your bio over there. So option 1 I gave you was you can go ahead and you can put your link directly in your bio. Option 2, which I would definitely recommend, is to create a sales funnel. Once you have your sales funnel, you are then able to collect your customer or your client's email addresses. And if they don't purchase on the first time around, you can then follow up in emails, and not only follow up about that, but you can also promote other products. You want to make sure that your products that you are promoting are all within the same niche though. So you don't want to promote coffee to someone that's on your dating and relationships email list. If you want us to show you how to create a sales funnel step-by-step tutorial, drop us a comment down below and we'll make sure to get that tutorial out to you. Okay, so we've picked our niche, we found a product. The next step is we need to create that content. Okay, so remember I showed you this first channel over here. These are just general backgrounds. There's nothing fancy about them. The easiest way for us to create it would be to go to pixels, and then you can type in either relationships or you can type in ocean backgrounds, however you want your background to be. And these videos are all free for you to use, and you can go ahead and download them. Find music on TikTok and then go to Google and search dating psychology facts, and then you have all your facts over there, and you would then use the text overlay and put it on and create a video. Now, if you wanted to go into the motivation niche, for example, and you wanted to download some of these videos, you would go to YouTube, type in motivation, click on enter. Then we want to go to filters and go under Creative Commons. These videos are all free for you to download and for you to reuse under your brand. So you would then find a video that you like. So let's say this one, you would then download this video and you could then re-upload it, basically you'd have to edit it first and then re-upload it into TikTok. Now these videos are quite long. That one's 15 minutes, the next one's 5 minutes. So you would probably get a lot of videos out of that long 15-minute one. You could go ahead and maybe make 30, 40, 50 TikToks from it. Now, if you do have a little bit of a budget and you have some time constraints or you don't really want to do the editing, what I would then do is recommend going to Fiverr and searching TikTok editing and hiring a freelancer on Fiverr to edit your TikToks for you. This way you have someone editing all your TikToks for you and you don't have to worry about the back end. And also it's not very expensive. You'll see some people are doing it for $5. And there's different packages or different freelancers that you can go ahead and look at, and they will assist you with editing your videos. Remember, while they're editing your videos, and yes, you are paying for this service, but you will then hopefully be getting some affiliate sales from the videos that are already uploaded on TikTok. So I did mention at the beginning of this video that Purely Remote does focus on affiliate marketing. If you want to know how you can start and scale your business for the long term, then we will be dropping a link down in the description for you. We also want to get to know you more better, so drop us a comment and let us know where you're from. But if you found some value in this video, remember to leave a big thumbs up. If you're not part of our community just yet, then remember to click that subscribe button. But until next time, guys, thanks for joining me. My name is Natalie, and I'll see you guys soon.